Almost every programming language has a feature that turns a computer into a server and allows it to receive messages. Popular backend programming languages are JavaScript, sometimes called Nodejs, Python, Ruby, and Java. However, using a backend programming language by itself is actually really difficult and requires a huge amount of code. So there are two tools that we use to help with this: a backend framework and a package manager. A backend framework helps us create a server much easier and with a lot less code. Each backend programming language has a few different frameworks to choose from, but the most popular ones are Express.js for JavaScript, Python Django, Ruby on Rails, and Java Spring. In the backend, we also use a lot of code that other people have written called packages to do common tasks like doing calculations, talking to a database, and setting up user login and authentication. We typically use a lot of packages in our backend, and in order to install and manage all these packages, we use something called a package manager. Each language has its own package manager. The most popular ones are npm for JavaScript, pip for Python, bundler for Ruby, and Maven for Java. These are all the technologies we need to create our backend server. The next problem we have is we need somewhere to save the data for our website. Going back to our Amazon example, data could mean our user data, like the login information, order history, as well as data for all the products that are being sold on Amazon.